He's already hit himself with the hammer today. Woo! Oh boy, that's going to be another nice shelf for Essie.
These old 2x6s.
I'm telling you, aren't they huge? Look how it's rotted out. Do what?
I said you're not gonna nail it, and I said almost.
We figured that was a window right there.
Must have been a small little window.
Yeah. Up above it. Right here. Right here, and through here was a window, we think. We don't know for sure.
Won't that collapse?
Nope.
That's
That
a
was good thinking.
Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah.
It was very good thinking. We hope it don't collapse. If it collapses, Essie's in trouble.
Yeah. Here, let me open the door for you, Ben. We're just throwing them out on the ground. Got it.
Now that the door opens nicely.
I know. You know, that was the thing he took out.
Big pipe.
Yeah. It's heavy, too. Oh, you got it, or you want Essie to get it? Oh, look at you carry that. Don't step on it because it's got a nail in it.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you. And then it's got that old plaster there.
Dad, thanks for helping me do that.
So, look here. Let's see what we can do. Oh. See how strong you are. Kick right there. Kick it hard. Here, turn around and mule kick it. You know what a mule kick is? You kick it like this.
Oh, goodness.
Like that. You do that? You want to do a mule kick? Look at that. Oh my goodness.
You got it?
It broke.
Keep kicking it.
You gotta keep kicking it. Go over and kick it some more. So we can see if we
It's
can
right here.
Yep. That's where it's put together. Ready? Kick it hard.
That was a good one.
Alright, we got another piece of what we can do in just a second.
Oh, my goodness.
Got it?
What do you think about that?
Oh, it looks like,
Hello, Roman.
it looks like we can put a window right there.
Yeah. Window.
We're going to open the whole thing up.
Yeah.
You know, there's been a wall here for 94 years.
I think some days.
Yep.
Alright. You wanna put your hand right here and let's push and see if we can push that out. Ready?
I don't want to do that.
You don't want to do it? Well, that's part of the demo. That's part of tearing things